I'm in a bit of a mood today. Maybe it has something to do with like the state of my current room. Maybe it has something to do with the current life situations. But I figured if I clean up my room, mostly the closet because I have not organized that. It's like a mixture of containers, toiletries, clothing, just like scattered about. So I'm going to be organizing that. And if I have something to do with my hands that's like productive, then probably I can sort out what's going on in my mind. So today I'm going to be organizing my closet. I recently got back from the farm and haven't even unpacked the things that I'd carried. So this is the current state of the wardrobe right now. As part of my room organization, I think I want to replace the batteries that came with my little fairy lights because they're currently dead. But it's not that bad because it's kind of cheaper than electricity. I think each battery of these goes for $2 and they've run out. So that's $6 to light these little fairy lights for 2 minutes. So actually, let me try switch it on and see how dim they are now. Yeah, they're all the way dead. They're all the way dead. It's okay. Yay. I'm officially done with the closet. Feeling a lot better, but looking a lot crustier, but it's a fine trade-off. And now I'm going to reorganize the room with a sketch that I made like a year or two ago. So I literally planned what I want each room to look like. I had like a whole color scheme and all that, and I just organized it according to each wall and where I wanted to place the furniture. So that's the closet, which I've already done. I'll be like finishing that up and then closing it. And then this is just the layout of where I want to put everything. So the bed is going to move back to this wall, the table in that corner, closet is here. So I think I'll start doing it wall by wall. Baby, 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 baby.
funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Hi, whoever sent you this video,